Tell you guys why I cloth diaper while I prep these diapers for the week. Initially started cloth diapering in 2016 when I had my second son, Joe. The reason why I began cloth diapering is because at the time my husband lost his job. We had to choose between diapers and food. This is when I began researching about other ways that I can make diapers out of the stuff that I already have at home. And I saw someone make like a cloth diaper out of a onesie. After finding out about cloth diapers, I found some local cloth diaper banks who would donate diapers to me free of charge. I wash my cloth diapers every 3 days, so come with me as I show you guys how I wash my diapers. First, let's gather all of the soya diapers for the past 3 days from my bathroom. Then I have to figure out how to distract my baby so I can wash in peace. I start my washing machine and get ready for my first pre-wash with my favorite laundry detergent, EnviroKlenz, and I also use their laundry enhancer. Now it's time to add my diapers into my washing machine, and I make sure to go ahead and pull all of those pockets out of my pocket diapers. Once the pre-wash is done, it's now time for my main wash, where I'm going to add double scoops of the laundry detergent and a full cup of laundry enhancer. After the main wash is complete, I add my diapers to one last rinse cycle and throw them in the dryer.